Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia and thank you for clicking in this video. Today I got ready as you saw because it's Saturday. We have booked since the beginning of the year a course. Sorry, it's morning and I cannot speak properly. A course for bouldering. When I was in Greece, I went with my brother and a friend of ours who is doing bouldering and actually rock climbing, and it was very interesting and exciting and calming at the same time. I don't know how to describe it, but I really liked it and I wanted to try again. So as soon as I went back to Luxembourg, I tried to, I did my research and I found some bouldering places and I booked one course like with it's like a group that there's an instructor, so I want to get like some fundamentals, from a professional, and then we can start our journey for bouldering. If you don't know, I'm doing CrossFit. It's not that I'm professional or anything. I'm very in the beginning stage of CrossFit. I do it only 1 year, but I thought that bouldering also is going to be like another activity that we can do once per week or once every 2 weeks, and it's going to be fun mainly, and it's gonna be fun and working out a little bit at the same time. So yeah, this is what we are going to do today. We are also I need to go to do groceries, all the things that we need to do during the weekend. I'm very happy and excited for this day because first of all, it's the weekend. How can we not be excited? Oh my god, I don't know why. I was waiting for so long this weekend. I felt like the week was super long. But we had a very beautiful week, and at the moment outside is white. It snowed the other day and we still have snow, but at the same time we also have a little bit of sun and it's like bright and light, and this helps my mood to be like happier, let's say, as you can see from my face. And now that I'm talking about my face, I did, as you saw, a very simple makeup look just for the day. A little bit of concealer, a smudged eyeliner, what is it called? Mascara, and my brows, and that's it. I really like this look. It's my go-to look actually for every single day when I go to the office. I'm not wearing foundation anymore. It's only like spot concealing, and I love this method. I really like it. I'm feeling comfortable with my skin, even though I have some, as you can tell here, some discoloration. I don't care. It's skin. It's normal. Let's move forward, So let me show you my outfit for the bouldering. I will prepare breakfast and then we can go. Here we are, very simple black and white outfit. What else can I do? And it's very similar what I'm wearing actually at CrossFit. So I have some Adanola leggings that they are very nice and soft. Underneath I also have an Adanola sports bra, but I think also I will wear a t-shirt, and on top I have this like sweater that is from Lounge, and I will have also like my shoes, my sports shoes oh my god, my trainers, but we know that for bouldering we need to have like specific shoes, so we will rent them from there. That's why we feel
here again. You told me you just wanna be friends, so I act like I don't understand. Go ahead now, be the man. Let's pretend I don't know about your little plans. Look so cute and innocent, but you're as lost as Peter Pan. Could drop the bomb instead. I told you whenever you need me, just call if you want to, 'cause hey, that's what friends supposed to say. Minute after minute we fade, and I don't even know I stay. Watch me turning tides, now open your eyes to fade, so we fade. Minute after minute we fade, and I don't even know I stay. Got nothing to say, 'cause your face will fade. That's why we fade away.
I have a lot of clutter inside my bathroom and I really want to make things a little bit cleaner here, especially now that it's the beginning of the year, because I feel like it's a big mess how I store my things. And I went to IKEA the other day and I got actually a box where I can put everything inside, and everything, what I mean is like things that actually I want to try soon but not yet. So all the things that I want to try in the future, as well as some things that I'm not currently using, I will have them in this box over here, and I will store it somewhere like that is close to the bathroom, so I can have like access easily whenever I need any of these products. So let me show you the situation that we have at the moment, and let's see how it will evolve. Situation numero uno, where over here I have, like, as you can tell, a lot of products. It's like my makeup bag, but additional products that I had from my advent calendars. Then over here we have all these products that I am using like at night, but some of these things I'm not actually using them for the moment, such as this vitamin C serum. And on top of that I also have this over here, which is like things for the body, things for like my moisturizers as well, my glasses. I don't know, it's a huge mess, as you can tell, and I really want to actually make things work, and I really want to, make things feel a little bit more presentable and more clean than this mess over here. I feel so much better. Look at the difference. I just kept some palettes over here, my foundation, a blush palette, another blush over here. Then I have the makeup bag with all my makeup. And then over here we have a small transformation, but still it's a transformation. A little bit of less of a products, as you can tell. Not that chaotic as it was before. I have my AM and PM skincare routine. Everything is here. And then another small transformation, but I took out quite a lot of products. And over here I'm mainly keeping things for the body, such as my hydrating lotion. Then I have this beautiful and almost done mirror water oil for the body. I have my face creams over here, and then some perfumes and some masks over here, and some hair products as well. I am very happy that I tackled this task because it was in my mind, I think almost like a month now since I started like acquiring more and more products because of the advent calendars, and I'm very happy that this is done. It's out of my to-do list, and I am very happy about it. Now I just need to find a space to really store this box over here, because it's actually full, and I think I will put it under the sink. But yeah, this is going away. Good morning, good morning. It's the next day. I stopped filming after going to the grocery store, and we came back and I was like dead. I was so tired from rock climbing. Actually, I told you yesterday that we were going for bouldering because we thought that we booked a lesson for bouldering, and actually it was for rock climbing, meaning the difference between these two is that bouldering, you have like this wall where you have like the rocks and then you just climb it, and rock climbing is actually you have the same wall but super tall, super high, and you have to wear like the harness in order to go up, and then you go slowly down. So bouldering, I think, is around like, I don't know, 4 meters, 5 meters it could be, but rock climbing, I don't know, like yesterday I went, I think, around, I think it was like 15 meters, 20 meters the wall, so it was like huge, as you will see from the pictures. So I wasn't happy at all. I was saying to my boyfriend like, oh my god, this is not what I wanted to do. Like, I hate it. I don't like heights in general. Like, even for bouldering, when I did this in Greece, I had like this scary feeling, but rock climbing is in another level. I'm very proud to myself that actually I did it, and I went out of my comfort zone, but I have to say I wasn't happy while I was doing it. I was like, yes, I do it. I am pushing my limits in a way, in a good way, but at the same time I hated it so much. And because it wasn't what I was expecting and I thought I would do during the day, I got so disappointed unfortunately that it really affected also how I perceive like rock climbing. The space was amazing, it was really impressive, and it was also really impressive to see people doing this, but at the same time I feel like it's not for me. Maybe I will do it one more time in the future, but I don't know. Let me know if you have done something similar, like if you have ever done like rock climbing in a controlled environment, not outside in the nature, because this is another level. But for me, bouldering, when I did it in Greece, it was so fun and so nice, and I really enjoyed the process, and you know, like kind of like the vibe there, it was like super nice. And I didn't get this from the class that we had. Also the teacher, he wasn't that good. The only thing that he taught us, which is very important, is safety, but he didn't give any tips on how to actually climb, like a little bit of fundamentals of climbing, like how to put your legs, how to put your, you know, your hands, how to grab the rocks, how to push, you know, things like this. Like nothing. I had to ask him. So I'm a bit disappointed, I have to say, but nevertheless I'm trying to find a little bit like the positive in this experience, and the one that I can say is that it was something that it pushed me out of my comfort zone, and my, you know, something, I tried something new, let's say. And one of the goals for 2024 for me, it is to do like, to experience more in life and be able to, you know, do something new, do something that is unexpected sometimes, and this for sure, it ticked a lot of boxes. So yeah, this is what happened yesterday. I was like so tired, mentally mainly, a little bit physically, but mentally I was out. I don't know why it was. I think it was because I was pushing my limits, and it was like I was trying to, in a way, do something, not in a way, I was trying to do something new. And because, you know, I experienced all this fear, like it was so terrifying, like being 10 meters up and seeing down, and it's like, is it the harness going to, and the rope going to assist me when I go down, or am I gonna, you know, but everything went fine. I'm here. But yes, we came back home, so I was so tired, and I went to sleep I think around 11, like early for a Saturday, I would say. And I woke up today. I had a slow morning. I mean, still morning, but I stayed in bed. I read my book. I started a new book, and I will talk to you about it when I finish it. But yeah, a very, very nice morning, and I just wanted to, you know, like do my skincare routine with you and let you know about my experience. Today is going to be like a very chill day, let's say. We haven't planned anything in a way, like I need to do some cleaning in the house because I was sick the past month, so I really need to do, you know, all these, like cleaning the bathroom, the kitchen and everything. I also want to do my hair because this is my natural hair and it's like shapeless, boring, so either I'm going to straighten them or I'm going to do curls, I will see. But yeah, in general, like super calm and yeah, relaxed day, which I really feel like I needed after, you know, the experience yesterday. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really would like to let me know what type of content you will also like to see from me. And yeah, this is all for today. I hope you will have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next week. Bye!